how to change the passcode on your iPhone. This quick tutorial will show you how to update it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. If you're using an older iPhone, you may see Touch ID and Passcode instead. Next, enter your current passcode to access the security settings. Scroll down and tap Change Passcode. You'll be asked to enter your existing passcode again for verification. After that, enter your new passcode. If you want more options, tap Passcode Options to choose between a custom numeric code, custom alphanumeric code, or a 4-digit numeric code. Once you've entered your new passcode, re-enter it to confirm. Your iPhone will then save the new passcode automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed your iPhone passcode and improved the security of your device. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.